Hi, welcome to another video of BizMart features. In this video, we'll explore price groups in greater detail. Click on the Price Groups tab to get to the Price Groups page. Price groups are primarily used to customize your catalog depending on which items you want to add and at what price for which particular buyers. This means that you can control for a particular customer which items you want to show them and at what price. Let's take a look at creating a new price group. To start with, click on New Group. In this group, we will see how to create a group with all items at 20% discount for a particular party. Now, once you've added the group name and description, you can go ahead and choose any party that you wish to add to this group. I've selected two parties here. I have added them to this group. Now I will choose what categories or items I wish to show to these particular parties. Let's show these two items to this particular party. Now there are three price settings that you can add. One is setting rates of each item individually. This means you can custom add any rate that you want to that particular item. You can set rate as per price list on tally if you have defined it. A third option, which we will go ahead with here, is add a percentage discount for items. So we will add a 20% discount, and you can see that the apricot juice item is now discounted 20%. And done. You have created this price group. Now these parties will see these items at this customized rate only. So go ahead and start using price groups for making your customized catalog for your parties today.